Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to have a small discussion on analysis on two sessions, shift 1, shift 2 of AP EPSET. EPSET started yesterday, two sessions were successfully completed. So comparison between shift 1 and shift 2, comparison analysis between shift 1 and shift 2. Here we go now. First shift 1, in shift 1 mathematics paper, so it was moderate, maths paper was moderate. In shift 2 also it is average, so paper was average. Physics difficult in both the sessions, shift 1 difficult and shift 2 also it was difficult. Chemistry easy to moderate in shift 1, in shift 2 also easy to moderate. In mathematics shift 1, more questions came from algebra, coordinate geometry and matrices, whereas in shift 2, vectors, coordinate geometry, calculus, so these topics were focused on more. Okay, in physics, when it comes to physics in shift 1, mechanics, modern physics, magnetism, so more questions appeared from these chapters. In shift 2, semiconductors and thermodynamics and modern physics, so these topics were given priority. Chemistry, more questions came from physical chemistry and inorganic in shift 1, whereas in shift 2, organic and inorganic, almost equal number of questions were focused from, more questions came from organic and inorganic. Overall, shift 1 paper is average. So shift 2 moderate to difficult paper. Shift 2 is bit difficult when compared to shift 1. In shift 1 direct questions are 80. So here also in shift 2 almost equal, 85 direct questions are there. So simple questions with minimum preparation. With minimum preparation one can score 35 in shift 1. With minimum preparation in shift 2 one can score, an average student can score 35 to 40, almost equal. From first year, in both the sessions first year syllabus 55% questions were given, second year remaining 45 more questions came from first year syllabus, just like TSM set. In TSM set also, in all the sessions more questions appeared from first year portion. In the second year we have 70% only, that's why. So no questions from deleted portion in shift 1. In shift 2 also no questions from deleted portion. Okay, so shift 1 easy to moderate. Overall in shift 2 paper is easy to but also easy to moderate. So physics is difficult in both the sessions. Chemistry is bit easy, okay, in shift 1 and shift 2, that's why. So it is better to concentrate on chemistry, we have to score more on chemistry, in chemistry. Okay, physics you can attempt at the end. Okay, so give priority to chemistry, physics last in during the exam also. Okay, in this way, so those who are appearing for remaining sessions, so they can sharpen their weapons. So that is the strategy we have to adopt, okay, to crack this EPSET. Hope that this video is very useful to you. Okay, all the best for EPSET aspirants. Okay, for the remaining sessions, do your best, give your best. Good luck. See you very soon with another interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.